Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so they attacking boss there, my people. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So right about now, you know what, I just want to say special big up to all of the viewers and the subscribers them out there who always are tuning into NEWLINK and them store them, who always are tuning into NEWLINK and them topic them. You understand? Me I big up every viewers, me I big up every subscriber. Except on a real level, more and big up every viewers out there on a special level and the one them who watch any vlog when NEWLINK drop. Whether it not to be a hot story, whether it not to be a hot topic, but you just rate NEWLINK and anything when NEWLINK drop, you know, say you watch it because what? You just want to hear the attacking boss. You just love the attacking boss and you just support the attacking boss. So I just want to say special big up to the viewers like you all. But on a real level, all viewers and subscribers I get fully big up. Attack them NEWLINK. Well, my viewers and subscribers, right about now, people, me I go do this covering of this thing, you know. Me not go talk about a specific topic like say, you know, say something happened to the purse there, this and that, people. But on an overall scale, my people, and based on the reactions when me do, people, when me get an interaction based on a clip that I uploaded a couple days ago, my people, I definitely have to come back and drop another part to that story, people. It's not say based on the story what happened at the place or the event, people, but based on the whole concept of the thing. And then people are reach out to me and I say NEWLINK such and such and such. Then me really and truly my people, the attacking boss have to do a coverage about this. So right now, people, the other day I do a upload, people. And it's about a party with them so keeping a Kingston. We see how much money dash to a select of people in this money pull up for this massacre song. How much money wheel out. We are talking about Jamaican money. $1,000, $5,000, bill, $100 US, $200. Everything I wheel out, my people. Dollars, cash, people. So after this whole thing, my viewers and subscribers and people who know the person who did that do the thing regular and thing, and you know what I mean, even though the new information they come to us people and we don't tell them say yo, alleged scam, you know what I mean, scam all of them thing and something people. Well, yeah, news do reach to us and say yo, people who know the answer yo, no said nah lie. Some of them man they are dialing man for real. You understand? And concerned citizens do reach out and say attacking boss. You know, so upon a real level. Me know a man were personally in a them game, yeah, the dialing thing. And this is how them live. Go a party, compete against other, dash so much money in a money pull up, drink the biggest liquor them, drive the fat car them, we are talking about the markets and the crown them, you understand, and the bad axio them, live the lavishest life them and them friend. But you know what the saddest thing about this thing attacking boss? Them no remember where them a come from. Them no look out for the person who bring them forward upon this earth. The person who bring them forward upon this earth attacking boss. Most of them, the person who bring them forward want even $1,000 from them. Want even 1,000, want $2,000, $3,000, $5,000. Them nah give them. But 2 toes down the road. And them you seen at the party, you pop the NSC them. And I drink the biggest thing. Them and I go on the eyepiece and in the latest Louis Vuitton. And the Versace them. But upon a real level, my people, attacking boss I go talk now. Youths. Dialing man, because I can't tell you now if you live in a life, you know. And if you don't choose your dialing at the thing, for make you make it, you know. Me not gonna tell you not do it, because that you don't choose. You understand that son you want to live? Well, you don't do no thing. But one thing me I gonna say, on a real level and a straight up level, remember where you are coming from. See? Because a lot of the man them out there do them thing and a straight attack for them. And them no remember where them a come from. Which me know a lot of family and a lot of members now go have no part for do with it, my people, on a real level, because some families totally different. Some parents are totally different. And once them know so they have pitney who do certain thing and I get an income and them know so them do a 9 to 5. Them know so them have nobody internationally I send that to them and them go spray and say yo where them a get the money from them and suspects say you know there's some illegal thing them do. You have some parents who now go want $1 from them. Zane? But you have some parents out the same way and they get to them, the dead people with them. And the parents them a suffer. And them and them nasty say boom and show out even $1. Them nasty say boom and even show out $2. Even 1 50 cent nor 1 25 cent. The man them a play tougher. The man them a play hard with the people them. Look at youth. On the need for looking on yourself and realize. So you know say we are do a game right now where at any time, you know what I mean, we all are taking risk. And at any time, anything can blow, anything can fall, and we can end up in the system in a what? Behind bars. And who I got there? Who you think I've got run up and done? Who you think we have got called to? Remember when you're bridging down there saying who not the same game because him no want to go forward there so. Remember one of the bridging there up the road and the bridging there down at the hill down there so. Zine? None of them can help you. Zine? And remember that the little girl that we had here, the two him know say I'll have a next man around the sun and next man up there so. She didn't even want to come highlight her too much and come represent her. No farmer way. She didn't even have the brain box up on her head for do certain things. But remember, you see the person them will bring you forward upon this and I'm talk about the woman who carry you for 9 months and for the real father them who they there on you. Remember, see, them you go call to. So them are the one now who no can't stay and turn in the back pan. Zine? Because when you not pray them most of the time, you know, we see how much I want to get slapped with youth, we are doing the dialing thing. We see how much I want to get set up. And once a year the rooster crow, you must say a real thing, the NEWLINK attack, a facts. Zine? You now pray the whole concept of the thing and say, look at a man, a friend a kill friend, you know. A virgin a set up virgin, you know. Zine? A virgin a envy virgin, you know. Zine? But you don't pray so. You don't think mama go envy you, think papa go envy you. You better them envy you. Crew again rooster and make them know. You better them do it. See? But you don't pray the thing different. You don't want to be the top man in the clan there. You don't want to be the up the man in the clan there. But what? Ready around the side pray you. Body around the side look upon you. And turn to twist the yaya look right this upon you. See? But remember, who you go call upon when trouble reach you? Who you go beg unto when trouble reach you? The same mama. So youth, remember the attacking boss I tell you now. Tap throw a stone behind, you know. Me know say the game wrong. Me know say it illegal. See, me know me not do it personally. I mean I go tell the man say you go do that game there for certain things reach them in a life. But at the end of the day, people, me can't tell a man them say, yo, I that to no do, I that to no for living a life now. See, but all me can say, it's not a good word for choose because we see of what happened to many people in this system. And what lead to them people. But when we see them a dial people, honestly, and them not growing and not kill nobody, them not do this, them not do that people, me not go attack them. Me attack the truth people because who want to get tricked, them want to get tricked up on a real level, you know, people. On a real level. See? So as I say, me not go attack them and say, yo, don't do that, don't do this. But all me I say, we not do nothing, we not make no food, we not buy no pie, we not grow in a gang and not do this and not do that. Although it's wrong, it's illegal, a thief, you know what I mean? But what me I go do? Me not go fight, you know. See? Me not go attack, you know. But remember where I come from. And stop impress man out there. Because the same man them who not impress and I hype with and I drink with and I floss and I drink the SSP them with and I drive the big car them with. And them same man I pray for take you out and set up your 3 points. Remember the attacking boss are telling that. See? Me not support na dialing man. Me not back na dialing man. Me not pick na side with na dialing man people. But still, Jamaica rough, it tough, and we see what the government do to the yet youth them. So when I see them a take on certain road, my people and a dialing, what me I go do? Me not go attack them, my people. See? But you see when I see them come to boom with the pipe and a grown and a kill off the innocent people them, there will be the attack. See? As I say my people, I'm not supporting them. But what? Truth is truth and reality is reality. And you don't know the attacking boss got to work, people. You know this game your name? We not big friend. Truth is truth, right is right. So my people, big up on yourself. More love, more respect, more blessings. Be safe and just continue to do the right thing out there, my people. Full force, fully attack. Peace out. Attack.